A few years ago, I promoted a program called Legendary Marketer. The program included a high-ticket course for $2,500 and would pay me a $1,000 commission per sale. In this video, I'm going to reveal step-by-step how I generated over $48,100 with this one company. This number doesn't include any affiliate commissions that I earned with sales funnel builders, email marketing software, or web hosting. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Right, so this video is going to be composed of 5 simple steps. Each of the steps will be broken down so you know exactly what to do. Step number 1 is simply to just find a niche. A niche is just an area of focus and an area where you're going to create content. All of your content is going to be dedicated to this one niche. Now again, I know that we're multifaceted people, but people only come to the internet to solve one problem at a time. Usually that's within the same niche. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to assume that you want to get into the make money online niche. Just a side note, I personally feel like you should not tell people how to make money online if you've never made money online. The only exception to this is if you do it in a very specific way that I'll reveal later on in this video. Step number 2 is to actually start email marketing. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing both in the short and long term, you need to start doing email marketing as soon as possible. About 80% of the people that will buy from you will not buy from you right away. They will need to see you at least 7 times before they feel comfortable enough to buy from you, and email marketing is a great way to make sure that you stay top of mind. One of the bad things about social media and even YouTube is that you don't have control of the algorithm and you don't control how often people see you. That's why email marketing is so important. Email marketing consists of 5 parts. We have the landing and bridge page, the lead magnet, autoresponder, and broadcast emails. Let's take a look at each one of these components individually. A landing page is a simple one-page website where your target audience goes to enter in their name and their email, and that's how you build your mailing list. A good landing page consists of a headline, a sub-headline, maybe an image, and a form for your target audience to enter in their name and their email. And when they press submit after entering in their name and their email, that's how you build a mailing list. The headline should call out a major problem that your target audience is experiencing. I like to use this formula when I'm creating a headline. How to do X in Y without Z. X is something they want, Y is the time frame, and Z is the pain point they want to avoid. For example, how to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks without spending 8 hours in the gym. X is losing 10 pounds, Y is 2 weeks, and Z, the thing they don't want, is spending 8 hours in the gym. A lead magnet is something of value that you give to your target audience in exchange for their name and their email. Your target audience will only join your mailing list if they find value in your lead magnet. Currently, I believe the best kind of lead magnets are lead magnets that help them get a result. Back in the day, we used to give out ebooks, but quite honestly, nobody reads free ebooks anymore. Ask yourself, for example, when's the last time you read an ebook that you got for free? Currently, I like to give away planners, workbooks, cheat sheets, and templates that will help them achieve a small result. You can give away a course if you want to, but you run into the risk of making the course directly compete with the product or service that you're selling on the back end. If you're just getting started and you don't have one of these other things to give away, you can give away your time, which is the most valuable asset. Let's take a moment for a quick commercial break. This video is brought to you by Gbolt Systems. Gbolt Systems is a complete marketing software that will allow you to build landing pages, bridge pages, email marketing, sell your digital products, and even courses. With Gbolt Systems, you can also use it to post on social media and send emails to your mailing list. Click the link below to learn how you can get started with Gbolt Systems for as little as $9 per month. All right, back to our regularly scheduled show. Next, we have something called a bridge page. The bridge page is designed to introduce the affiliate program that you're partnered with. The easiest way to think about it is you are initiating a handshake. You're basically saying, let me introduce you to a great person, the company that you're affiliated with. In most instances, the bridge page is a video where you show your face. In addition to the video, there's usually a button with your affiliate link right below it. And when people click on that affiliate link, they are tied to you for however long the affiliate cookie is active. So Statistically speaking, only about 20% of the people that see this bridge page will click on the button and buy right away. The other 80% are going to come from your mailing list, and that's why it's so important. As I mentioned, email marketing consists of an autoresponder and broadcast email. Autoresponder emails are emails that are sent automatically on your behalf. Your autoresponder emails should sound like a script from the TV show General Hospital. For example, your email autoresponder basically will be opening and closing loops. Back when my mom used to watch General Hospital, the scripts would go something like this. At the end of the episode, somebody would be lying in a hospital bed, all bandaged up. We couldn't see who it was or how they got there. We'd have to come back tomorrow to figure out who it was and how they got there and who put them there. The person lying in the bed that we don't know enough about is basically opening a loop. And you'd have to come back tomorrow to close that loop. Broadcast emails are emails that you send out when people are no longer on your autoresponder sequence. Broadcast emails are usually best when you upload a new piece of content, maybe you have some new information that you want to share with them, or you're offering a discount of some sort. Another great use of broadcast emails is to send out emails to create a deeper connection with your target audience. Share life stories, share things that are going on in your world so that they can build a deeper connection with you. Now that we have email marketing done, I want to quickly shift gears and talk about bonuses. Yes, you should include bonuses in every affiliate offer that you make, but it's really important that you offer bonuses in the right way. All too often, I see people offering $213.58 worth of bonuses for a product that is worth 1/3 of that. I think this is a bad idea because it's going to leave your customers wondering, if the product is so good, why are you giving away so many bonuses to help enhance the product? What I think you should do instead is find one or two products that will help enhance the product or fill in any gaps that are left by the product. For example, when I was promoting LM, I used to do one-on-one coaching to help answer questions and ease the fears of the potential buyer. I also offered different templates that they could use to help them make money by promoting different products and services on social media. In all honesty, the best bonuses that you can offer are your time. It's the most valuable asset that anyone has, and so if you're willing to give your time to someone else, they're going to see immense value from it. Now that we have the bonuses squared away, let's talk about the next step, which is traffic. Traffic just means getting attention. And the question is, where are you going to create content to get this attention? And there are two really important factors when deciding where you're going to create content to get this attention. Number one, where is your target audience hanging out? And number two, where do you feel most comfortable creating content? Now, if you don't feel comfortable creating content somewhere, you're not going to be consistent and you're simply going to quit and you're going to fail. I'm often asked, does TikTok still work? Does YouTube still work? Does blogging still work? And the answer is yes. All of it still works. You just have to find what works best for you. Once you've identified where you're going to get attention, you have to spend time on that platform learning how it works. And this is really important. You have to learn how to get the attention. Back in the day, I used to call this keyword research, but this can really vary depending on the platform. For example, YouTube, Google, and Pinterest, they're all search engines. You can go up to the search bar and you can type in different keywords and you will get a drop-down menu of what people are actually searching for. For websites like TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube Shorts, it's a little bit different. People on these platforms have a different awareness level. They're not aware of the problems that they're going through. They might be aware of the symptoms, but not necessarily the problem. One example I like to use is medicine commercials. Now, I'm sure if you live in the US, you've seen these medicine commercials before. And usually the medicine commercial goes something like this. Does the outside of your foot hurt? Does your ring finger hurt when you raise your hand? Do you feel like you're going to sneeze, but you never do? If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, you might have this thing. Contact your doctor to see if this special medication is right for you. Now, you're going to do the same thing, but this time you're going to use goals, dreams, pain points, desires, and aspirations. For example, you might create a piece of content where you say, do you feel tired just walking from the back of the Walmart parking lot to the front doors? Do you find yourself taking more rest breaks, looking for a bench more frequently? Do you find yourself constantly getting up to go to the bathroom at night? If you experience any of these symptoms, this might be your problem. How often you're going to post on your platform really depends on the platform. Another great thing to do is to look at the people that are already in your niche within that platform to see what they're doing and to model it. Now, don't copy. I don't want you to copy anyone's work. You're simply going to look and see what they're doing, and you're going to find a way to improve it. A couple things you can do is you can take a new approach to old content. You can create reaction videos. Whatever you do, don't steal. Step 4, and this is really important, make the damn content. Now, it's great that you've spent all this time doing the pre-work, but none of it will matter if you don't make the content. I'm going to give you a heads up. Your content's going to be bad, but that's okay. Your content's going to be bad because creating content is a skill that you've got to learn, build, develop, and grow. If you want to be great, don't compare your content to other people because you don't know their journey, you don't know their background, skills, or experience. And just to close the loop I mentioned earlier about telling people how to make money online if you've never made money online, again, I don't want you to do that except for this one instance. Now, to me, telling people how to make money online if you've never made money online feels a little unethical, it feels a little shady, and I think it's a bit weird. Here's what you can do instead. I want you to share your story. Talk about different things that you've tried. Most likely, if you're trying to make money online, this isn't your first stop. Talk about things that you've tried and that you failed. Talk about why you failed. People will find the honesty and transparency refreshing, and you'll help build a following quicker. Also, please don't use other people's success as your own. Again, that's unethical, it's shady, and it's a bit weird. The final step in this entire process is your analytics. If you want to be successful, you have to know your numbers. You will want to know your opt-in rate or the percent of people that join your mailing list. You will want to know things like watch time and view duration. You'll want to know your click-through and open rates for email marketing. The more you know your numbers, the easier it will be for you to make the necessary changes to improve them so that you can essentially make more money. Now, I want to reiterate, the process is simple, but it's not easy. There will be many bumps along the way, and very rarely do people find success overnight. If you want to be successful with high-ticket affiliate marketing or any affiliate marketing, it will take consistency and persistence. But I guarantee you, if you follow the steps outlined above, you will be successful. Now that you know the 5 steps that it takes to get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing, watch this video next as it is a free 5-hour masterclass on how to monetize your social media.